think there's a number of things that stood out to me from the day. So the importance of relationships, not just relationships between people, but their relationship to place, and also people's relationships to their past, to the Carmarthen of the past, their memories, things like that. So it felt like a lot of what we were talking about was about relationships, was about people's relationships to each other and community, and how you can just live somewhere and it's just somewhere you live, but it can be so much deeper than that, and how we as Local Motion can help to create those communities where the relationships are deeper, where the relationships are stronger, more resilient, more fulfilling for the people who live there.
Dwi'n wrth ymau I fi di sylwi a mae fe'n cwmpasu'r da a'r drwg yw'r agweddau tuag at y Gymraeg. Oedd yn galonogol iawn cael clywed jes pa mor frwd mae pobl am yr iaith. Dim ond pobl o Gyfyrddin, ond pobl sydd wedi symud I Gyfyrddin, pobl sydd ddim yn siarad y Gymraeg. Geithoir yn rhydedd I siarad gyda par o ffoaduriaid, un o'r Aifft ac un o Syriau, a trafodon nhw gyda fi pa mor drist oedd bod nhw wedi colli brandhelaeth o'i threftadaeth a'i ieithoedd nhw, Coptic a Aramaic hefyd, a gymaint o syndod da iddyn nhw cael gweld gymaint mae'r heniaeth yn cael ei ddefnyddio yn Gyfyrddin.
I had a really interesting conversation with two women, a grandmother, her grown-up daughter and grandchildren. And the older woman was saying, I live in a 3-bedroomed house, but I know that there are families on this estate who really need more space. And could there be a different approach to accommodation where we could move around so that larger houses could be freed up for people with families, and then people who only need 1 or 2 bedrooms could go into smaller accommodation. So that was quite a creative idea to the housing policy in town.